Hello everybody, welcome back. CollectibleCardChick here. Today we've got this Mimikyu tin pack to open up. Obviously we're going to get 3 packs, foil cards. Let's open this up and see what we've got. There we go. All right. Here's our wonderful card. And our 3 packs. We've got Fusion Strike, Brilliant Stars, Evolving Skies. And we put our little friend over here to the side. All right. Let's start with Evolving Skies. Boo! As usual, guys, please, if you could be so kind, subscribe to my channel. Throw some comments down in the comments section. Let me know what you're thinking. Fusion Strike next. I always love to hear from you. Energy. Farewell Bell. Also, I do have some social media. Look me up. Give me some comments on there. And finally, let's go for our Brilliant Stars pack. We haven't had so much luck yet. Let's see. This will be a lucky pack to open up. Energy. No, thank you. These guys look funny. Just hanging out in the tree. And ending with 2 rares. Thanks everybody for tuning in.